Walang preno kung bumatikos. Malalim at makatwirang komentaryo. Mag-ingat ang mga politikong gumagawa ng kalokohan at baka kayo ay tamaan ng Lapid Fire!
Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is episode 337 of our grave tour of the famous series. In this episode, we return to Manila Memorial Park in Parañaque City in search of notable individuals like our heroes, famous celebrities, musicians, politicians, athletes, and businessmen interred in this part of Metro Manila. Come, join us to remember, celebrate the life, and visit the final resting place of a veteran broadcast journalist that was gunned down on his way home to Las Piñas in October 2022. Located in the middle section of the park along Bougainville Avenue, we found the final resting place of broadcast journalist Percy Lapid. Percival Carag Mabasa, known professionally as Percy Lapid, was born on the 14th March 1959 in Manila. He was a broadcast journalist and was known critic to the Duterte and Marcos administration in his fearless commentaries about corruption and irregularities in government and the drug war through his radio program, Lapid Fire, as aired over DWBL. Lapid was also a radio reporter and commentator for many years since 1980s, who worked as journalist in many radio stations including DWIC and DZRJ, as well as columnist for the tabloid Hataw.
Si Percy Lapid, umabanat! Lapid Fire!
Papatuloy tayo mga kaibigan. Ang sabi ni Digong nyo, gulo nito rule of law eh. There is no need, deklara na terorista itong CPP-NPA. Madalit sabi, hindi niya kinikilala hindi niya nirirespeto ang rule of law. Katulad si Kibuloy. Ha? Mga kaibigan, kapending na kaso sa Estados Unidos yan. Human trafficking. Bibigat ng kaso ni Apollo Kibuloy sa Amerika. Ang request for extradition para dyan kay Kibuloy. Ito, kwentong Vic Rodriguez naman tayo. Yung masaklap na pagbagsak. Balita natin, mga kaibigan, isang balita na tanggap natin, nag-resign na Executive Secretary Victor Rodriguez, umano ay inisyu sa kanyang service vehicle ng gobyerno, ay binawi na rin. Na, mga kaibigan, hindi na siya entitled dahil mukhang pati yung pagiging chief of staff niya tablado na. Kaibigan, wala na naman tayong oras. Diyan po tayo muli pansamantalang magpapaalam. Babalik po tayo Lunes alas 10 ng gabi hanggang alas 11 ng gabi sa himpilang DWBL 1242 sa inyong mga talapitan. Sa ating pong FB Live alas 10 ng gabi hanggang kung anong oras po tayo matatapos. Ito po si Percy Lapid. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi, Robin Padilla!
Nagmamahal sa'yo.
Lapid, age 63, was killed by an unidentified gunman on the evening of the 3rd October 2022, few meters from BF Resort Village in Las Piñas. 2 weeks later, one Joel Escorial surrendered to the authorities on the 17th October 2022 and confessed to the killing. Escorial also implicated brothers Edmond and Israel Dimaculangan and a certain Orly as his accomplices to the crime and the middleman from inside the New Bilibid prison who ordered the killing.
Bakit mo na ang gawain?
Kasi po, lumabas na po yung mukha ko sa TV po.
Dahil lumabas, ano nangyari? Natakot ka ba o
Natakot po ako.
sino nag-utos sa'yo?
Galing po sa loob, sir. Sa Bilibid po.
Okay, sino mga kasama mo?
Si Israel po, Dimaculangan at si Edmond Dimaculangan at si Orly po. Orlando. Hindi ko po alam ang tunay niyang apelyido. Kasi po, sir, yung namin po doon usapan, kung sino po ang matapat doon sa Percy po, siya po ang babaril na tapat sa akin. Sabi naman po, pag hindi ko binaril, ako po ang papatayin. Binaril ko na po si Percy.
Ano binayad sa'yo?
550 po. 1,000 po. Sa lahat na po.
Ano kayo kadami?
Bali po. Kasama po yung sa loob, bali 6.
So may natanggap ka bang pera pagkatapos?
Opo, inulog po sa bank account ko po, sa BDO.
Magkano yung natin sa'yo?
Kasi po sir, natihati namin po
Magkano natin sa'yo?
is
Yes.
140 po sir.
Magkano?
140.
This crime remains unsolved as of the date of this publishing. In the next episode, we will post the video of the continuation of our visit of Manila North Cemetery and Libingan ng mga Bayani in Taguig. Later in this channel, we will also post more grave tour videos including Loyola Memorial Park and here at Manila Memorial Park in Parañaque. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you like my channel. See you in our next grave tour of the famous episodes.